So with Halloween and Christmas coming up, I thought I'd just try this using some just cheap acrylic paints and painting it on the inside of the glass. Um, just a bit of a doodle, just to see if it would take to the glass first, which it does, and then afterwards I want to see if it washes off a few days later, and that's coming up now, the washing off bit. So a couple of days later, I've got a cloth, scraper if I need it, and just some like fairy liquid in a little spray bowl. So it just comes off really easy anyway, which I thought it would do. The scraper I just add in case I needed, if there's any hardened paint there, but there's not. It's just like when you do it on a glass palette really. If you're using acrylic paint, it comes off easy. So a little spray bottle, a little bit of fairy liquid, and just spray it and then just go off. I used a microfibre cloth, and comes up lovely, so no problem at all.